Good morning, friends. I remain your friend Samuel Okoyocha. Today is not a day for analysis, but somebody requested that I retouch pounds New Zealand and Euro New Zealand for some clarity. And you know, I made a promise that those who are on my Telegram group will have some benefits. So that's let me fulfill my promise. So let me start with New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. Okay, let me go to daily first. On New Zealand USD, EURNZD, you can see where we are going. We are going down, but we are just waiting for the price to break this channel. That's where we are going. Once here is broken, then here is where we are heading to. So that's for daily. I want to show the daily so that you know our long-term perspective. The markets have been going down all the while. Now we are correcting, and the correcting is not the buyers are not strong enough to continue the price moving up. So we are going to sell anytime from now. The selling has already started, but when and where are we going to enter? That's the next question you need to ask. So let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, just as I showed you on the last chart. So I don't know what you don't understand here. Here is our blue box, and our target is to enter a sell from here. So I don't know what is difficult here. Whenever a market moves like this, we expect some correction or some pullback. So, and our focus at the pullback will end maybe near to this blue box or inside it or a little above it. So the idea is that if you are selling this pair, an ideal place for stop loss is here. Here is the aim validation level, is this place. If the market goes up to this level, which means we are not getting a break of here so soon. So we are looking for sell from this area. That's all what I explained here. So maybe if you don't understand what I explained, maybe you need some knowledge. Let me go to 1 hour. So let me go to 1 hour. So 1 hour, you can see the market is trying to is going up just as we forecasted that it will likely come to this blue box before going down. So what I'm saying in essence is that I will only look for sell of this pair when the price comes to this blue box. When the price maybe it keeps going sideways, and they come to this blue box. From here, I will look for sell, and my selling my first target will be here. Here will be my first target. This place will be my first target. If it breaks it, then we keep going down, just as I show you on 4 hours and daily. So the main movement is the market is going down. That's the main thing. The pay is going down. So that's all I can tell you about this. It's going down. So now let me go to pounds New Zealand. Okay, but I'm pretty sure the two are the only thing I can tell you that you might avoid the trading pounds New Zealand, but Euro New Zealand is easier to trade than pounds New Zealand. Take it again. Euro New Zealand, from what I'm seeing on the structure, is easier to trade than pounds New Zealand. So my advice is for you to be patient. If the price breaks this low, then we will sell. I'm not in a haste to sell this pair, but if it break here, it will be a very nice trade. So let me go down to 4 hours and 1 hour so that we know what we are going to see on this. Okay, now you can see we are expecting an A, B, C. This is a big A, B, then we are looking for C. And the C is moving in a way we don't expect. Okay, now let me tell you something. This is what I will see and I will trade this pair. If I see this type of move, if I get an A, B, C, so the C, it may not be up to this, above this level, but even if it stops somewhere here, I'll be looking for. Okay, let me just go to 4 hours to so that you to 1 hour so that you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So let me leave the 4 hours, go to 1 hour. Now this is what I'm expecting. The market is channeling now. So I assume this to be wave A. Then this wave B, I don't know when it will be over. We might get something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this. And if it happens like this, maybe it may keep going down until it completes the move, which means this is A, this is B, this is C. But the way it is moving now, what I will see before I sell this pair is that if this movement maybe do something like this, break this place, do something like this, that is the only time I can sell this pair, because it is going sideways. Sometimes when the if it happens like this, maybe something like this, that is when I will sell this pair. So if I see this type of move, I will sell. If it keeps going sideways, I will not, because the structure of 4 hours and daily is telling me that market should go down, and I expected it to go down, maybe something like this, but it's doing something like this. So in order not to lose money, I like to trade safe. So if something happens like this, then what am I going to do? The next is that is this. When something like this happens, then it will be another channel, and the break of it will give me the reason to sell. So that's all I can tell you about pound New Zealand. So you can go ahead. Selling of Euro New Zealand is pretty easier and is imminent, but pound New Zealand is somehow tough to trade. But if this channeling change and do something like this, then I myself will also sell it. So I think I have answered your question. Maybe if you need more education on that, you consider paying school fees. Just it's a little money, and join the class, and I will teach you everything you need to know. Okay? Thank you for your question. I think I have helped someone this morning. God bless you all. Bye.